Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on restricted mode in the YouTube app on your iPhone. Restricted mode helps hide potentially mature videos, making YouTube safer for children or anyone who prefers a more filtered viewing experience. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for YouTube. Make sure the YouTube app is updated to the latest version because some settings may not appear if you're using an older version. Once you've updated the app, open YouTube and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now tap on General. Scroll down until you find the restricted mode option. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on if you want YouTube to filter out many potentially mature videos. You can also turn it off anytime by following the same steps. Keep in mind that restricted mode isn't 100% accurate, so some videos may still appear or be hidden by mistake. However, it's a useful feature if you want a safer and more family-friendly YouTube experience. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable restricted mode on the YouTube app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.